Writing style engaging. Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into a topic that's often left out of weight loss conversations. The reality of excess skin after significant weight loss. It's something not everyone prepares for, and it can be quite a shock. So, let's talk about it. When I embarked on my weight loss journey, I was fueled by the inspiring before and after photos and the promise of a healthier life. I thought I was fully prepared. What I didn't see coming was the challenge that awaited me after the weight was gone: excess skin. Picture this. After months or even years of hard work, dieting, hitting the gym, you finally reach your weight goal. You feel stronger, healthier, and brimming with energy. But then you're met with a new reality. Your skin, which has been stretched over the years, doesn't just snap back like a rubber band. No, it doesn't work that way for everyone. Excess skin can be a result of many factors. How much weight you lost, how quickly you lost it, your age, genetics, and even hydration. It can pose not just cosmetic concerns, but practical issues too, like discomfort or skin irritations. It's a part of the journey that's not often discussed in glamorous transformation stories. Now, dealing with this wasn't easy. It was a roller coaster of emotions. At first, it felt like my achievements were overshadowed by another hurdle I hadn't anticipated. But here's what I learned. This skin, these marks are symbols of perseverance, of the hard miles I've run, both literally and metaphorically. If you find yourself facing this unexpected side of weight loss, remember, you're not alone. Many share this part of the journey. There are options out there, from medical treatments like body contouring surgeries to non-surgical methods that can help manage and reduce the appearance of excess skin. Consulting with a healthcare provider can give you a clearer picture of what might work best for you. But beyond the physical solutions, there's a mental and emotional adjustment that comes with this new self-image. It's crucial to surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or others who have gone through similar experiences. They can offer the invaluable support and understanding you need. In conclusion, while excess skin can be an unexpected chapter in your weight loss story, it doesn't define your journey or your worth. It's merely another aspect of your incredible transformation, one that speaks to your strength and determination. Embrace every part of your journey, and remember, each of us has our unique stories of resilience and triumph. Thanks for listening, and keep pushing forward. You've got this.